friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I will explain you about the nutrition in unicellular organisms such as amoeba and paramecium. So first I will explain you about the nutrition in unicellular organism amoeba. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I will explain you about the nutrition in some of the unicellular organisms such as amoeba and paramecium. So first I will explain about the nutrition in amoeba. So now I will explain you about nutrition in amoeba. Nutrition. Nutrition is nothing but the mode of taking food is called nutrition. Mode of taking food is called as nutrition. Now I will explain you about the mode of taking food by amoeba. So if we think this as amoeba, this is the nucleus and remaining white part is cytoplasm, and this is the food particle. This is the food particle and this is amoeba. Now first it will come near to the food particle, and these are called as temporary finger like projections called as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are nothing but the temporary finger-like projections of amoeba are called as pseudopodia. It helps in the movement of amoeba and it also helps in the capturing of food material by the organism amoeba. Now first it will come nearer to the food material and the pseudopodia will fuse over the food material. It will fuse over the food material. Then this food material will be formed as food vacuole. It will form as food vacuole and the food vacuole will be moving inside like this and it will come to a particular place. Now this is food vacuole. This is called as food vacuole, and inside this food vacuole the food particles will be the complex food particles will be broken down into simpler ones. This process is called as digestion. The breakdown of complex food particles or substances into simpler ones is called as digestion. Now this digestion process takes place inside the food vacuole of the amoeba. Then after digestion process, after digestion it will be diffused into the cytoplasm of amoeba. This is the white part is called as cytoplasm and it will be diffused into the cytoplasm. And then the undigested food will be sent to the surface of the cell and again it will be thrown out by the pseudopodia. So this is the nutrition which is taking place in amoeba. Now I will explain you about the nutrition in paramecium. Paramecium and amoeba, both of them are unicellular organisms. They contains only single cell. So if we take this is as paramecium, this is the important part in paramecium, nothing but cilia. So how the pseudopodia helps amoeba, here the cilia helps the paramecium. If we take this as food material, then this paramecium will move nearer to the food material and this cilia will help in capturing the food material and the food material will be formed as food vacuole and same as amoeba, but here only one difference, that is in the case of amoeba the pseudopodia is helping to capturing the food, but here in the case of paramecium organ cilia is helping to capturing the food. So the remaining process is same, entire process is same except this one, it forms as food vacuole. Then digestion process takes place inside the food vacuole. Then after digested the food will be the simpler materials will be diffused into the cytoplasm. The undigested material will be moved to the surface of the cell and thrown out by the process of defecation. So these are the nutrition that are taking place in both amoeba and paramecium. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.